even easier: how to open an OXO cube correctly and save water. This video will look at how to open an OXO cube correctly. This allows you to gain maximum flavor from your prepared dish. This method will also allow you to avoid continuously washing your hands when preparing your dish, therefore reducing your energy bills. This results in less worry and stress with the household budget when you are giving your family their foodie favorites. We all love beef, chicken, lamb, or vegetable OXO that come in this little nifty cube where we just take the silver wrapper off, but sometimes this can be quite tricky. Then we crumble the cube with our fingers so we can use it for gravy, or in this case, we've simply crumbled it on a saucer or small plate. This always works the first time, but it always makes a mess of our hands. We have to go and wash them before we can carry on cooking. This can be a huge inconvenience and also makes home cooking longer when you just want to get on with it, especially if you're hungry. But did you know there is a far better way to do this? If you open the little flaps on the OXO cube and then gently squeeze each side, the cube will start to crumble while it's still in the silver wrapper. We can move the cube around, squeezing and slowly increasing the pressure using our fingers, allowing the cube to crumble. Once the cube has crumbled, it will lose its square shape, but this is its way of letting us know it is ready. Let's simply take one of the corners and make a small opening. This can be done by making a small pinch or little tear. Point the opening down towards our food, or in this case a saucer or small plate, then simply let the crushed cube sprinkle from the silver wrapper. We have now finished with the cube and we have our gravy. We've got nothing on our hands, so no need to wash them. We can simply carry on cooking, enjoying the flavors from our beef, chicken, lamb, or vegetable OXO cube. So why not give it a try and let us know how it turned out for you in the comments.
You made it to the end of this video, so please consider giving it a thumbs up. Why not share it with your family and friends on social media who will also find this video interesting? More people watching increases awareness of what we do, resulting in more people improving their health, escaping diabetes, and losing weight. Take care, and we will see you in the next video.